Knowingly or unknowingly, we are slowly moving towards a paperless world. Like every aspect of life, our study is also being digitized. Keeping pace with that, some electronic gadgets have become important to students like me. In this video, I will tell you how you can use iPad as a student. Hey there, this is Nivedita Kauri, MBBS student at Bankura Sammilani Medical College, West Bengal. A big welcome to my channel. Let me clear one thing. Apple doesn't sponsor any video, and likewise, my video is also not sponsored by Apple. In reality, iPads do much more than most of the Android tablets. Even you pick a starting price iPad, it provides you more features than an Android tablet at the similar price. For many casual users, iPad can be used as a laptop replacement too. iPads are designed specially to increase our productivity. For education purposes, we can use it as a learning tool. The iPad which I am using right now is the 7th generation iPad. Its current version, which is available on the market, is the 9th generation. Both of these are compatible with 1st generation Apple Pencil, which is sold separately. It's better to buy the Apple Pencil along with the iPad. There are so many other varieties of iPads available, like the new iPad mini, iPad Air and the Pro version. You can get any of them as per your budget and needs. Now, let's see how you can use your iPad as a learning tool. With the built-in Notes app on the iPad, you can create your own handwritten notes. You can use hundreds of colors with which you can write and highlight on your iPad. It also has crayons and eraser. If you want to add some typed text into your handwritten notes, you can do that. And if you forget to write something, you can add a space between two lines and then you can write there. You can add pictures. While writing, you can view the downloaded copy of your book with the multitasking mode. By the way, there are several other note-taking apps available on the App Store. With the Notes app installed on your iPad, you can take some quick notes instantly, even while using another app. Swipe from the bottom right corner with your finger and you can write down what comes to your mind. But this feature is only available in iPad OS 15 or later versions. With the Books app, you can mark up the downloaded copies of your book. If you are going somewhere, sometimes it's not possible to carry all the books with you. But you can get a similar experience with an e-book on the iPad. The Files app also allows you to mark up a PDF e-book. If you want your book and your notes on the same screen, then iPad makes it easier for you to do that. On iPad OS 15, click on the three dots on the top, select half screen mode and choose the second app. Or you can just drag the other app from the top to enter into multitasking mode. The multitasking mode is better known as the split screen mode. Most apps support split screen mode and it's also a great method to take notes from books and videos. You can save your time with the shortcuts. That's a pre-installed app that comes with the iPad. With shortcuts, you can give a customized command to Siri to perform multiple actions sequentially. Suppose you want to open YouTube to watch something. Shortcut can open YouTube, turn up the volume, adjust the brightness, start a timer for a predefined time and stop the rotation with just a single command. If you like to make typed notes, then Apple Pages is the perfect application for you. I use the Pages app to type the important points and export them to my smartphone. It's remarkably helpful while revising the topics before the exam. If you have to make a presentation, You can use colorful and attractive typed notes with animations by using the KEYNOTE app. The clock app on iPad is just like normal clocks present on other devices. But the feature which I like the most is you can set a timer even without touching the screen. As for example, if you are using the Pomodoro technique for your study, you can set a timer without touching the display. All you need to do is just say, "Hey Siri, set a timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes, counting down.
If you want to know what Pomodoro method is, check out the link at the end of this video. Planning is necessary to achieve your goals. And with the Reminder app, you can plan your day. You can add tags to categorize the reminders, you can divide them into different sections and more. One more thing I would like to add here. If you are using your iPad for study or some other productive work, then it's better to keep the iPad free from social media. It will help you to keep away the distractions. When you have the iPad in your hand, you will be in a productive mode automatically. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, share it and do subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.